This video is not sponsored by D-Brand, and this is not a smartphone skin. I never really liked the idea of casing a smartphone and making it bulky. Also, never really thought about getting a smartphone skin, which will cost about 1000 to 2000 rupees online for my budget device. But my phone was getting old and had a lot of scratches, and it looked so bad without a case. So I wanted to give my beloved smartphone a makeover, and I did it for less than 20 rupees. Let me show you guys how you can also make your old smartphone look dope. It's me Abhishek here on Droid Therapy, and without any further ado, let's get started. I bought some carbon fiber vinyl sheets from Amazon to cover my dull looking table, and a small portion of it was left around. A small piece of it will cost you less than 100 rupees. I will leave the link in the description below. I made a lot of mistakes and almost broke my smartphone while doing this. So watch the video till the end so you can learn from my mistakes and avoid those, or try to do something more stupid than me. For making a DIY smartphone skin, you need an ugly smartphone, a pair of scissors, some screwdrivers and stuff for opening up the device, safety matches or lighter, cutting blade, a small portion of the vinyl sheet, and some old newspaper. Now here, I have decided to open up my smartphone and separate the back panel for easiness, and I really messed it up. So if you don't know how to open a smartphone safely, then you can just skip this step. You can do this without removing the back panel as well. It's perfectly safe to do it that way. I forgot to remove the SIM card tray here, and by pulling the back panel out, I broke the SIM card tray. So quick tip, remove the SIM card tray before opening up any smartphone. The next step is to cut out a small portion of the vinyl sheet and properly stick it onto the back panel. While doing this, ensure that you do not get any air bubbles trapped inside. Even if you did get some, I'll show you guys how to remove them in the later steps. Clean your smartphone's body using a cloth. Ensure that you do not get any air bubbles trapped inside. Now if we look at the corners, we will have to fold the sheets here, which will make it look bad. We need to make our DIY skin to be at least comparable to the high quality skins available online. So for shaping the edges, we can use heat. You can use a heat gun, lighter, or just use the safety matches and just heat the edges and pull the sheet to shape it. You don't have to overheat it, just move the matchstick close to the sheet and pull it slowly down, or else it can get burned and start to curl as it's plastic. I have shaped all the edges, and this was a little tricky to do, and I burned the sheet at some places by overheating. Now we need to cut the residual parts of the sheet using a cutter or a blade and shape it properly, covering the back panel. Cut along the edges to get a precise cut. Now we need to create cuts for ports, cameras, microphones and speakers. For this, rub over the place where we should create openings by applying some pressure so that we can get a rough shape on the sheet. Now cut along the borders of the shape using a sharp cutter without pushing in so that we don't scratch the glass covering the camera or the flash. After cutting over the shape, you will be able to peel off the cuttings from there easily. Similarly, create openings for ports, microphones and speakers. It's almost done and the phone looks so good. You might have caught some air bubbles inside the sheet. Try to avoid it by cleaning the phone and applying the vinyl sheet carefully in the first steps. To remove the trapped air, we can use a sharp pin or any sharp edge tool and just press it on the sheet where there are trapped air. This should get rid of them. This was my first try and it was not perfect, but you can perfect it in the second or third try and there will be plenty of vinyl sheets left for multiple tries even if you messed up the first time. My phone now looks brand new and I really like the carbon fiber finish here. It does not slip out of my hands easily like before. It has some grip to it. So that's it guys. If you like the video, be sure to drop a like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you're new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.